Hello, everyone. Today I will show you how to structure your LinkedIn profile for US jobs in 2026. Many people struggle to get noticed by US recruiters, and it's often because their profile format and content aren't tailored to US expectations. First, focus on your headline. Make it clear, keyword rich, and role specific. For example, instead of just engineer, use software engineer Python. React, AWS, full stack development. This helps recruiters immediately understand your expertise. Next, write a strong About section. Ah, Summarize your experience, skills, and achievements in 3 to 5 sentences. Include measurable results like lead a team of 5 engineers to deliver a web app that increased efficiency by 20%. This is common in US resumes and LinkedIn profiles. Then structure your experience section with bullet points. List relevant responsibilities and achievements, focusing on results. Always quantify impact wherever possible. Numbers catch attention faster, include skills and endorsements. Prioritize skills that match US job market demand and get colleagues or mentors to endorse you. This helps your profile appear in recruiter searches. Finally, add certifications, projects, and education. Highlight US recognized certifications if available and ensure all sections are complete. Recruiters prefer profiles that are fully filled out and visually structured. So, yeah, craft a clear headline, strong about quantified experience, prioritized skills, and complete sections. This structure makes your LinkedIn profile US job ready in 2026. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.